We're working to make sure that repair is as easy and obvious as brushing your teeth. So clothes have become relatively cheaper than they were before. So it's a saying that it's more affordable to buy new clothes than to repair is probably true in many cases, but not in all cases. There are many ranges of clothes, right? The price range. There is fast fashion, there is mainstream, there is affordable luxury, and there is luxury. The most influential one is the price of the product, because we see that people compare the price of the repair with what they paid initially. And there seems to be like a kind of a barrier if the price you paid is under 100 euros. And then we see also, secondary, that the cost of the repair should not be more than half of the price you paid for it. The market is difficult for everyone, for the retailer and the brands, and moving into services is moving quite far away from this linear business model that they often have. So it's a huge step. It's not core business, right? So we see that a lot of brands are very curious, but that it's still a bit new to look into offering services. Well, I think we have created this system of buy and throw away together, all like the brands, marketing, consumers. We have created this system together and authorities as well. So I think we need to solve it together. And I believe that regulation is part of the solution. I mean, we believe that the number of repairs per person in the future will be higher. That's what we're working for. We're working to make sure that repair is as easy and obvious as brushing your teeth. And then the volume will increase. And we want to make sure that the good repairers get the opportunity to grow their business with this additional volume. The repairers that play by the rule, they deliver great services with good customer service, reliable. So they should be able to hire people and grow their business into a sustainable business. The system that we have today is collecting data on the level of type of product and type of damage. So like as a brand, you can see that, okay, my jackets, I have 80% zipper problems and 20% buttons. Even a heat map where we stack all the damages on top of each other, and then is really valuable information for the brands to see that, yeah, this is what happens during the user phase of the product, and how can we strengthen this in our next designs so that we don't have all these damages. The way we are trying to build our sustainable business is to sell access to this, the network of the repairers globally. And depending on what kind of subscription the brands would have with us, they would have access to all their data and to aggregated data. And yeah, so that's part of our business model, to give the brands access to this data.